And here at Wayne's Corner, just streaming because I was like, well, I'm about to work anyway. I'm about to do some work, so I might as well just stream it. I don't know, just motivation, just to kind of keep myself going for a long time, for well, a longer period of time, right? Feel like I'm obligated to, right? Since I'm just streaming. But today we're just going to be going through. I really like. I'm in the home stretch. Like, it's basically done. You know, like it's basically finished. I just have to like clean some things up, implement a couple more things, and then it's done. And I won't ever have to touch it again. And it's not to say that I'm not having fun coding the CLI tool and I'm making. And if you don't know, I'm making a CLI tool that basically allows me to log work that I do within my terminal. So it could be anything. It just allows me to have a stored logs of just all my work done in the terminal that I need to log, that I might need to export somewhere or I need to go back and look at in the future, right? And this is mainly just for me. This is really just for personal use. Like once I finish this, I'm probably gonna use this forever until it, I don't think. I mean, it's made with all standard library stuff in Python, so it should work like forever. So yeah, so this is just something like once I'm done with it, I'm gonna be using it forever. So this will be on my GitHub, and it is in the description of the video, so you can check it out if you want to. But yeah, so let me just go ahead and get started. Let me move some stuff. For right now, I don't need this here. We can move this over to here if it wants to go, but it doesn't look like it does. Oh, that's why. No. And my keyboard onto my PC, not my Mac. So that's my bad. There we go. Alright, so I'm gonna just identify what I need to do. I need to start writing to-dos, but I just never do. I think maybe I do have a to-do in here. No, I don't. But yeah, let's see what we have to do here. Add log. Dot file. Let's do .json for that. I think it was for merge file. Okay, let me go back through and check merge. Oh, I found a bug too. Not in args, over here. Let's make a new tab. And let's put args in here. I keep using that, but I forget that I have T, and I have a keybind for that, but I'm just so used to typing tab next and tab previous. That's if delete. That works just fine. Oh, I remember where I left off. We'll come back to that, but my parsing, it's not. I'm gonna change how I'm doing it, but we'll save that for later. For right now, let's go back. Actually, it's in this file, but go back to add log. Add log. Yeah, right here. So let me just go through this. Tom format, getting the job. All that's fine. All that's fine. Logic is fine. Here we go. So if, oh yeah, and also, let's go back here. Learn and go. Let's clear this out. Same directory that I'm already in, but let's go back one. Let's look at test. This has all the test data in it. Okay, so I'm thinking about just having JSON like this, not having necessarily like API JSON, but line by line JSON. But I don't know how I feel about that. Because the thing about the JSON is, I think for now this is fine, right? I think this is fine. I think this is fine for now. I kind of like this because then, you know, you can read line by line. You can read it in this text. You can kind of do whatever you want with this, right? And it's very easy to set up a JSON. You know, like you could easily just iterate over this and it'll be pretty easy to do until you hit the end of file. So I think it'll work for me at least. So I'll leave it like that. I'm not really having too many issues, too many qualms with this. So with that being said, we'll go ahead and we'll keep this up because I want to come back and reference that. Here we have a with open statement, which is basically from a login tree that'll look like work log, if I can spell. Oh my, wrong language. It'll look like work log, like tests, that file that we just saw there, -p for project. So you just have like a name dash, what else? What other flags do I have? We have job project, location, and then time. So it'll be lock and it'll be like remote. Time, now this doesn't need to be anything, but basically all time is if you don't have a start and end time. So if you don't have like a start, then you could just do the time spent. So this is more like an after the fact thing, right? So you could just have that there, but let's omit that for now. We'll just say start now with a -m, and it will be like, this is a test. So it'll look something like that. That's still like the initiation from the terminal of what like a work log will look like. And then it just comes down here and it's like, it just determines the file format. So if it's a text file, a CSV file, or we need to add else if file format equals dot JSON. And then let me just look at this. Search on. Oh, this is, you know, this specifically is for the case of else if, what did I just indent block? I don't know how I just broke that. Or is that my LSP acting weird? Expecting an indent block after. It's an else statement for that. Let me just get rid of this. Still with open. I'm just breaking out of the loop. I don't know what that was about. Let's see file format. I don't know. I genuinely don't care. I think it's, I don't know why. Maybe my LSP is acting weird. Let me check. It's specifically for the log string. So if, oh, I see. If statement. Else description. I'm just inputting field names. I see. And then for txt, it's been a while for txt. If insert.time.lower, oh, let me actually do this. All now is just like a special word that if you pass through, it'll literally just do the exact time now as you hit enter. This is the actual time that you want. So basically it will just be JSON. Hold on 1 second. This is what we need. See, I just have all my logic in the with open. Trying to see with the JSON library if I could just do just a dictionary and then just dump the dictionary in JSON dump. This looks like a dictionary. It's a list. Supporting, so it's just a.write. Think about the dot. All I need to see is an example. I really do not care to read this. Within the object. I don't know, now I'm kind of changing my mind on it. Because I kind of want to do it in just like a standard way you would get it back from an API, honestly. Where is it? What do you mean by separators? Oh, I see. I kind of like this better because then I could do the timestamp and then it could be everything else. Then I can even indent it if I want to make it look neater. And then actually I could just send down the just the dictionary, honestly. I just need to delete the timestamp and take out, did I rename? I think I renamed just for CSV. Shop. I thought I renamed, oh here I did rename it. I don't think I renamed it for this, or I just didn't write it. Yeah, so it's different. But here I do want it to be included. So X, if X is not equal to message, else description. So basically I just changed message to description and added in timestamp. Yeah, because timestamp is not included. So it will basically be list with basically a list. I said the thing, a list with the, well, it's gonna be an F string. because we don't want it to be different. No, we don't want job actually. It's not going to be different. It's just, what's the name? Object. Where am I even using quarks? If that's the case, did I lose it? So I think we just might do a deep copy of quarks. But yeah, isn't it like deep copy? No, actually, it's not copy. It's just deep copy. I think. Is it deep copy? I think it's just. In Python, since everything is a pointer, if you were to just assign something to any object, it would just be the same object. I learned that the hard way a long time ago. And then that's when I actually like understood. But basically you have to do, okay, it's copy.decopy in order to actually make a duplicate of the object. Where is it? I just get lost. I need to change my my color scheme. I'm kind of getting tired of it. I literally just changed it. So copy.decopy. Return. What does that mean? Because deep copy copies everything, it may copy too much, such as data which is intended to be shared between copies. Is that, maybe I'm a C student, so I understand. It says because deep copies everything, it may copy too much, such as data which is intended to be shared between objects. I don't get it. If it's supposed to be shared between copies, maybe I'm thinking about it wrong. Maybe I just need to read. Hold on. The difference between this shallow and deep copying is only relevant for compound objects, objects that contain other objects, like list or class instances. I see. So should I use a shallow copy? list in class instances. A shallow copy constructs a new compound object and then, to the extent possible, inserts references. Okay. But we still don't want that though. So shallow copy still, it's really not still, you know, a full. We need a deep copy because I'm about to remove stuff from the actual, and I think I use quarks throughout the rest of the function, so we don't want to do that. So I think, yeah, deep copy is what we want. I see what they mean. Inserts copied into objects found in the original. So like if you were to do a shallow copy, it will do a reference. Reference is just the memory location. It would copy the object, but some of the elements within the object would still be references to the original places in memory that they're stored. This is saying it inserts copies of references. So if it were to, those two objects could share memory locations of the elements, right? So I get what they're saying there. That makes sense. Or right here. So we still want to do deep copy, but what is deep copy? We'll just do deep copy. I'm not just for the sake of. Arbitrary Python objects. And then json.dump. Before we do that, well, actually, we want to change. I'm just gonna like do it the easy way, but let me make sure. Python delete key. See what Stack Overflow. Yeah, DL. Let's remove the key from dictionary. I can use this code. I didn't know you could use that pop like that. Wait. It says delete key regular is not usually two argument for a pop. This will return my key if key exists in dictionary and not otherwise. Keyword trace. Oh, nice. That's exactly what we want then. Glad I looked that up because I was about to just delete it. Well, actually, yeah, that's the exact functionality that I need. So I'll just do underscore deep arms dot pop. What's the name of the key? Forgot what I had it in there as. I think it's just message literally. And then we just said do copy, make a new description. Let's say we put a message. And it really doesn't matter. But also, I kind of want to. Let me see something. But you know what? Actually, everything is in there. So yeah, we're cool. Leave that and set it to that. And that's really it, honestly. Then we can just pass deep quarks to JSON without messing up the entire rest of the function. And we don't need try and accept blocks. So that's it. and JSON downtown's complex, whatever. That. I want to have JSON. JSON converter. I see 8, all right. String to file pointer. A.write supporting file object. So I'm still kind of lost on it. Unlike Pickle and Marshall, JSON is not a framed protocol, so trying to serialize multiple objects with repeated calls to dump using the same file pointer will result in an invalid JSON file. Okay. Oh, okay. So the object, the string to, what is A in this instance? String to file pointer. Maybe it's point to this, right? These are defaults. Oh, I see. So I just need this one line then. It doesn't return, it's actually writing directly to the file. But I need the file pointer, which is FD file descriptor. And then what was the way to make it like, I think it's already true. I think I just need, do I need separators? I don't think so. We'll just leave it, do indent to none, indent 4. I think that's like the standard to make it. So it should just be like job, and then it should have, well, now that I'm thinking about it, because you want to build up on it. See, now I'm double thinking myself. Now I'm trying to figure out, I could leave it how it already is. This is just like decisions. I could leave it like this, and then when I'm about to export it, I could just say like, if you want to export it as like an API kind of like return, where it'll be like proper JSON, like a proper JSON response, then I could do that. But could I just add a entry to JSON object? Let's keep it to Python. Really, right? So like you'll have this 2.4 print data representation. This is his original, and he's saying that he gets if I see it doesn't get included with that. I see. It's pretty easy. Yeah, we'll just do that. We're not gonna do nothing crazy. Cause timestamp. We need to remove timestamp as well. Or do we? Actually, no. I think we'll keep timestamp. This is if I'm writing a new file. So in this case, we can just change the data. That's directly just appending. And then JSON died. See if it's different. It does return the JSON. Well, no, it's because it's a string. I've never seen this before. What? I've never seen that before. See, toast R plus. Allows you to read and write. Okay, so I think with the JSON file, I'll have to change this to read plus. What's the, okay, well, hold on. I guess write plus for both write and read mode. Oh, what about A plus? Okay, I see. So the plus just means you can read and write, but usually you can keep it to append. That makes sense. So I can just A plus. I need to do R plus. And I can just keep the same functionality because I'm not going to overwrite anything with those two. These have been like tried and tested hundreds of times. And then this, with that, first need to load this thing. Yeah, basically just using the json.load into the file, because we're gonna have to read the JSON data first. It's a little bit different from the other one. We can't just write to it. Right, so we just do fd underscore data equals json.load. What is just the file descriptor? Fd. And then we doing our thing here, separate it for now. And then we kind of had it started here. And then what, just JSON. Okay, you could just do, oh, let me change this. The underscore data. And you just append. I should have deleted that. Okay, I'll just give it deep quarks. Underscore deep quarks. I see. Just give it the access file composition and offset. Okay. So offset it. And then dump it back. And I'm probably going to do this one time. There's no point in me doing this twice. FD underscore data back to FD. What an indent exactly. What an indent for. Back over there. Okay, yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Deep quarks equals deep copy message. Removing the message. I'm literally just renaming the key. I don't think you can't rename a key. No, that's literally, you literally cannot do that. Let me make sure. This is not how that data structure works. I don't think. Might be wrong. Python is weird. Let me see. Okay. Oh, yes and no. I can do this in fewer lines, apparently. So instead of popping it into message, I can just do this. FD data, FD, and then 4. And what I forgot to do, because it takes in, so I did conditional or copy. Did I just, I don't think I replaced the name. I think I just replaced it when I wrote it. Yeah, so on this deep copy, we can just do underscore deep quarks for and we just change it to insert time, and then that should be good. And then else, I think the only thing that changes here in this case is because we're gonna read and write it the same. Literally the only thing that changes is this. Loading in the data, then we just do an if check on this, else don't do anything, and then just insert this and then get up out of there. I think that's it. So now set a marker. Let's go to underscore prep. What? That's it. Good. Went to definition, but format or format is equal to 9. Is it file format or format? It's just format. Return an slog. CP field names. it's giving us back three things. It's giving back a tuple. Oh, I see, yeah, because it's returning a tuple. So it gives back a tuple of optional string, optional dictionary, and optional list. What is a list? What is that? You actually know what? I don't think I really have to do anything. Since JSON takes in a dictionary, I don't have to do anything. I can just pass through the thingamabobber. I don't need. I see what I see. So string log, I don't need. What am I formatting? Like, what am I returning? I don't really care about what I'm doing here. And there. Yeah. So when it's a text file, I'm just returning a string representation of what the log will look like. And then if it's a CSV file, we have to kind of chop it up and make. What do we have to do here? Oh, it looks like I'm just chopping up the copy on Quarks, and I'm just kind of doing my thing with it. So I'm still iterating. Oh, I see what I'm doing. So I still have to do it. So it's gonna be similar to CSV, and it actually might be the same as CSV. Hold on. It might be the exact same as CSV, since CSV is literally just a dictionary. We just won't use field names, because all a field name is for is when I need to write a header row. I don't need to do that with JSON. So with that being said, we can do format. We could do order format equals to .json, and just keep it really simple. Right, and then probably the main work is going to be in write file, just right here, and we can do our thing here. Basically what this is doing is checking to make sure that there's actually data in the file. So usually if there's one line in the file, it's data in there already, so I don't have to necessarily write. And now that I know about write plus, I could do, well, I mean, it's pretty much okay. I will just keep the same kind of code convention. So link the file. Yeah, we'll keep the same code convention. Link the file equals 0 or length. File. I can't type. Have new lines on the internet file. I think it's literally just json.dump. It's not dumps, is it? It's just, I think it's just dump. We give it job and cp quarks. Oh, did I rename it? Maybe I take it in and I rename it. It's almost, what am I writing over here anyway? Oh, it's underscore cp quarks. Because this is this potential file. Oh yeah. Needs to know where to write to. That's literally it. It's literally just one line. Wait, what's going on there with open? So I'm appending. Creating a dictionary writer. Oh, I see what it's doing. Yeah, CSV is a little bit different. Just making sure that that was right. If format equals dot json, and what's the second condition? And the length of the file is greater than or equal to 1. I mean, there's something in there. We do it with open, and we do chosen job and that's fd. Hold on, let me see something. It's basically the same way that we did with the add log, and I'm just gonna copy and paste that because I already forgot. Yeah. Let me set a marker. Okay. Where timestamp. That's what I'm doing there. Yeah, because the other one is if there's nothing in the file. So this one I just need to actually load the data first, and then I need to do that. Okay. Really? I think so. Yeah. It's long. I'm just looking at this because I want to make sure that I'm not forgetting anything while I'm doing this. Okay. Let me put this here. We load in the data, and then we do that. I don't know why it does that. Oh, okay. I have to relearn marks. It's for FD. All right. Okay. So just based on that. And there we go. I literally forgot the motion for going back. Ooh. Well, yeah, let's make sure we do the indent there. Indent equal to 4. And then else, this is just our default, which writes it to a text file. Make sure I'm not forgetting. Oh, well, I do have to change this. I was reading it in like this because I'm going to redo this. I could just use the exact same thing because I was doing it different. And just parse it into a dictionary. I think we just iterate over the dictionary. I have to print it out and see what that looks like. I just want to see what that would actually look like. This is for combined log. So, oops. Oh, you're breaking stuff. But we want to load. So you want this. So you want to come back to our parse function, and we're going to get rid of all of this because I need to see what the data structure looks like first. I need that actually. You don't necessarily have to get rid of. Just in case. I think I still have the preprint module in here. Like that. And sys.exit. Okay. Well, you know what? Well, right now, I'll do this right now, and then I'll copy it for later. .4/for log, and then we'll do. What do I want to create? What I want to create? Ooh, let's do Wendy's. Wendy's. How do you spell Wendy? Can't. Wendy? Yeah, things like that. I think it's how you spell Wendy. Anyway, project. What else do we have? Start now. Message. Okay. Let's copy that. And then for right now, I think we actually need a valid log first before we do that. But the thing is, parse wouldn't work. So I might have to make my own log right quick. Yeah, because I don't know how to parse it until I have a log. So for right now, let's use this to output, and let's add in what is the name of Wendy's? Is it just Wendy or Wendy's? I think it's Wendy's, right? You always say Wendy's. It is what it is. So it's Wendy's. Wendy's.json. Add this. I need to look at some valid JSON. Actually, let's create a new one. I'll already cd into .config. Let's see this. We'll take I already lost the tab that I was just doing that in. Was it here? Oh, you know what? I was using this. I just didn't enter the file yet. So I think it's just literally that, and it'll be, and then wouldn't it just be like this, right? It'll be job with a list, right? Yeah. Yeah, just like job with a list. And then have like timestamp first with a timestamp value. Select a new tab. Honestly, you know what? Let's just take this whole thing. That was wrong. Here. I actually think that this will already be valid. I just need to indent it right. Or would it be? This was, I don't know, we'll fix it later. I just need to look at it. I cannot type tonight. It's time for me to go to sleep probably. Oh, this is just a description. Oh, you know what? I actually did that wrong. Because you want to have... Okay, hold on. I want to do it like this. I want to do timestamp. Or should I not do that? Regardless of if this is valid JSON, the reason why it's not valid JSON, because of that. What is valid JSON? Right? It shouldn't be like that. Each one should be in close. Just delete that. Just that in there. Where did the ending go? Now that's valid JSON. Yeah, that's it. That makes sense. Now I was like, that makes more sense. I'll leave it like that. I don't think I need to do anything else. So for job, and then it would just have like it nested like that. So I don't need that. You know what? We can just take this whole thing. Yes, this should be the last one I'll do. Dang it. Dang it. I accidentally, I don't know. Hit the wrong thing. Copy. Paste. Alright, let's see what broke. Illegal. Ooh, I messed up on something. Oh, I added a comma to the end of the thingamabobber. Or did I? Oh yeah, I did. I think you're talking about that. Oh, I don't have preprint. What do I want us to do? Do something like this. Let me see something. So job description, job timestamp. I think it's just reversed. I think, is this sorted? I think it's sorted. That's the reason why. Yeah, it is. Let's not sort keys. I think it's set to true by default. Actually, no, we need json dot. Does it? It actually doesn't matter. When you write, does it sort keys when you write? Indent. Okay, yeah, sort keys is set to default. But I'm guessing when you load, it sorts the keys. I guess, I don't know. I don't really care if it does it there. So now that we have the response, go back to our parse function. And the thing about the parse function is that we basically need it in a string, in a certain format in a string. I could basically just iterate over it, just like how I do with the CSV. without items. I could do the same thing, I think. Same thing, kind of what I'm doing there. Basically, the data is just in a dictionary. So we can get rid of... We'll get rid of that. Get rid of this, get rid of that. And kind of just really the same thing that we're doing here. But also, when we iterate, I got it. I've done enough JSON responses. So then you just do FD, it will be basically like for yeah. I need lines. Okay. Yeah. For not row, for just keep it the same kind of for a JSON log. For JSON log and basically just take this. I got strip new lines, or do I? Wait. Oh, there is no timestamp. there is no timestamp. Or well, no, there is a timestamp. There is a timestamp. Why is timestamp not showing up? Oh, because we don't need a timestamp. We don't need timestamp in line string. No. We don't need timestamp in long string. Right. Yeah. Let me actually look at it. Hold on. Wait. Let's look at no, we don't. Now, my thing is, do I want to keep new lines or not? You know, I think I should keep new lines just to see if it breaks. It looks, hold on. I think it just looks like that because it's pretty printed, I think. Let me get the, this is one, easy job, project, location, time, description. And then this is the second one. One comma, another comma, another comma, yeah, you know what, this is actually not right. It should be a list of list. I'm glad I caught that. It should be a list of list. Where did I mess up there? Because you see lines, CSV log. Oh no, CSV log is you see that? Yeah. No, lines is just a list. Now I'm so lost. Yeah, because I'm just appending. So it's just a list of strings then. Right? It's just a list of strings. Actually, oh, I see. Look, this is the first. It just looks weird. Maybe if I didn't pre-print it, it would look better. I think pretty print just makes it look weird. So now we can parse every file format. We can write and read every file format. We should be actually fine. And then in the add log, we already did that. I think we're done. Maybe just for combine log. Yep. Okay, so this is the last function. This is it. Once I do this function, I need to implement text files and I need to implement JSON files, and that is it. Then I'll be done. Oh, well, then I'm gonna do the email thing, but like, you know, it'll be basically done. So that is dope. I am going to be right back. I'll use the restroom right quick. So I shall be back. I am back. So here I'll do a right round. Okay, do one here too. This should stop. I don't think that I need fields anymore either, but I might keep it for now. What was the last thing that I had to do? Oh yeah, it was just combine log, and that was it. So now I believe since where's our buffer, and we looking for all the files. We could parse every file now, so that's pretty cool. Add it into the buffer, do our thing with that. Oh wait, we don't need to do anything. Oh no. If specify file is CSV. I think the reason why I have to rewrite it is because I'm converting from a string into the actual thing, right? But like in the case of let's just go ahead and do a, oh, I see what I'm doing. CSV logs, and then I'm sending down CSV logs. But what is CSV log? In my case, CSV log is, I think I'm just breaking up every line and I'm appending it to a list as a dictionary. No, CSV log is a list, log is a dictionary. So I'm appending multiple dictionaries to the CSV logs function. Yeah. And then we also know, or yeah, we don't have to write anything. Nice. Or json. I think that's it, because that can be for CSV and what's the name, logs. So that's dope. And dude, we're done, because I don't have to do anything. And then else, if it's anything else, you just project option links. Yeah, we don't have to do anything. we could do this in line with the function, so that way we don't even have to iterate over the buffer if specified extension equals dot txt, else just send down an empty list. Okay, actually dope. I didn't have to do anything. Yeah, because I can use CSV JSON logs for that. Then I'm making sure I'm not writing unnecessary data if the specified file is not txt. Now I just need to go to write file and make sure I can handle the cases of if those are empty. So like in the case of yeah, but since I'm sending down a format, it doesn't even matter. Where's format? Let's go all the way down. Yep, we're golden. We're good. Because format handles it. Format handles it. It will never enter, you know. So we're good, dude. Combine is done. We're actually done. It works. All I need to do is the email stuff now. And well, we can do tests. We can do test. I don't really feel like doing tests, but we can do it. Let me make sure that this isn't anywhere. Nope. Delete that. Get rid of that. Do I have stuff in here? Yeah, I guess I could do test. That's where I stopped. I was trying to do a test, but it should take from source. For a unit test. Cannot find longer server modules in the R parse because you don't need one. I think what I was getting, CT, Python 3. I already got my command save, I think. You see, and I got no module, funcs work logger. For what though? Hold on. Test args. We're in test args though. Oh wait, did I spell it wrong? No. Test args.py. It just showing a thing. Start assertion. Oh, because args is trying to pull in from source. I see. So I would have to go to and just tell it source, right? It shouldn't matter though, right? I don't think this is calling anything, but just standard library stuff. Oh no, it is calling app utils, which is in source. Everything else is standard library. Oh no, not this. Is it? Or is that in util? And I'm thinking about honestly separating this out. I actually am. I don't feel like doing that. Right click on all of those things, just in case I made a change. CD into source now. ls. Let's move all my util stuff to utils. Where's the other one? Nothing. I think that's it. Everything else is standard library. Let's see. Source. Does it even matter for this? This might not work. I'm not sure how Python does the pathfinding for the files. Are we on the right? You know, we could run it from this file. Well, from this tmux. It might still crash. Oops, so fail to import. Wait, test args. I think that's not. It says no import found. Test args. Oh wait, am I in the source? Oh no, I'm in top. I'm in source. That's why. Okay. Fails to import test args. Oh. I accidentally put what's the name on that? Where did it go? Source args. Make sure this file is right. Typing standard library. This is ours. Standard library. This is ours. This is ours. This is ours. Standard library. Standard library. Standard library. Okay. Save that. Funcs logger, that's correct. Or logging. Wait, what was the issue? From where? Oh, in test R is an actual file. Okay. Alright, let's see what's broken now. It's the same thing. Okay. So test space. Usage. These are errors that we got as a result of us running it. Traceback. Intermixed. I think it's just with parse args. Invalid choice. So I think I'm just not doing it right. I thought you could just. So do I like not? Can I just omit this? I don't think that I can though. I don't know how that works. Let me look at parse args. Look at the docs. Back to the docs. I really need to set this to the keybind. Oops, that was the wrong thing. Okay, so what do we need? What do we need? We need to look at some new tab. Parse. Oh no, it's R parse. How do they parse? You see they got parser.parse args, which is exactly what we got. So let me just do it in a file. Okay, here we go. Foo.parser.parse args. Oh, it's in a list. I see. I did it wrong. So you give it the flag first. What if it's a positional? What do? You just give it a positional, I think. Let's delete this and paste that. Not so great company. Alright, well, it's in a string, so I'm about to error out. Well, you know what? Let's do this. And then, for the sake of consistency, My auto close tags doing it. It's annoying. Let's put a message. That's the only one. God dang it, I do for this one. Oh shoot. It's no longer gonna be enough string. I think foul is a positional, but I want it on the same line. Paste. Oops. And then that's it. That way we can kind of like clearly see what's happening with it. Okay, now this should work. Like one of them failed. Was it one or two? Parse that parse args. For which one? Email is okay. Args merge. Info. Oops. So we got a namespace of log, info, verbose false, test job, project none, location none, extension, CSV. So we know that we're doing a merge. Delete is set to true. Invalid choice txt. Oh, I think it's from the second one, right? Hold on, give me a couple, say like 2 minutes. Be right back again. All right. Okay. All right. So we were failing somewhere right here, I think. Oh, TX. Oh, I forgot to do this one. That's the reason why I failed. Like, what is it talking about? I didn't know that I did it another time. Oh, what? Hold on. Oh, I think I did that because I got rid of the other line. I removed it from the buffer. What am I even doing here? Oh, I'm just doing, oh, I see what I'm doing. You know what? I mean, I might as well, honestly. For in might as well just iterate and check them all. We just don't need to delete there. Oh, we gotta move all this then. Still failed. Line 20. Did I not save it? Oh, it said line 25. No, I must have. I didn't save it. I guess maybe I didn't save it. What? 4 lines, parse arcs, intermixed. What is happening? It's happening in arc parse. Argument, invalid choice txt, choose from. Oh, text. Okay. I'm just being slow and not even understanding how my own program works. It's not txt. Wait, how did this pass? Oh no, it didn't pass because this is the first in test args merge. Okay. It didn't pass. We're good, dude. We're good. I was like, what's going on? Oops. Okay. We're good with that. So I think I could do fuzzy. I could fuzzy it. I think I might just go ahead and do the function. Well, I might just go ahead and fuzzy this, and then I can take the way that I fuzzy it and I can do it to my functions as well, and then I'll be done. Because now I have a way to test my arguments, and I don't think there's anything else I want to test. Like, because the only thing I want to do is be able to just fuzzy this input, and then make sure everything passes. Or I could just generate I could generate like a correct file and then generate a wrong file, and then make sure that, you know, I get the input output is the same regardless, right? So it's especially going to be important on my functions, because if I get weird output and it's not expected, then something's wrong. Well, other than that, I think we're fine. I think we'll just do fuzzy here, and I actually already have something for it, but not in here. Just right quit on this. Yeah, I already have a fake. Cool thing about this is the faker CLI tool. And basically, cool thing about this is I can make fake data. I can generate fake data and make it, and I can pipe it into any like file. I can do a CSV file, JSON file, text file. I don't think you can do a text file. I don't think you can do a text file. I think you can just do. Where's the options? Output path. Yeah, here we go. You could do format. You could do CSV, JSON, Parquet. So only thing you don't have is text. I could pass it to my function parse. That would be a good way to get text back. I guess that could be a test in of itself. We're not needing any of these though, but we just really need CSV. And I forgot how I ran this before, so let's pull that up. Don't need these two anymore, just in case. I don't know. I think it's faker-CLI GitHub or something like that. It's the Python one. Is this one? No, I have this one. Quartz. So formats. Ooh, you know, we can yank. This. Oh, do that. Sound it. That's what we need. Not here. I always switch windows on accident. I don't need to do that. Here's the quit. I got the test. So that's going to be our column input. Let's just go ahead and do, in this case, I could also just do like a, do I want to use, well, for this, I think it's okay, because then if I can just make like a CSV of one row, and then I could just easily, you know, key value pair it and parse it out that way. So then I can just like do that easily. I could like, then yeah. And we can easily automate this so that way I can like generate however many lines and see if it breaks or whatever. So CSV, which is somewhere. Or nowhere. Am I literally just going right over it? This is JSON. Oh, it's CSV. Just not bold. So it's a number. I can just like one line. But this is the default names. Or Could do JSON. JSON would honestly probably be better. How does this get read though? If I were to just open a file, probably just a list. Let's do JSON. Isn't it import OS, right? And I can do OS. Isn't it os.execute or is it another module? Execute shell commands. So it is os.system. I think it's better to use subprocess.run though. But what is that? Is that okay? Yeah, it's just subprocess. And how do I want it to handle the opening and deleting of the file? Well, I need OS anyway. With the we'll do it with the instantiation of the class. That way I can use it. It only gets generated when a class gets called. Cause then if I might add something else to this file, which I more than likely won't, but I won't generate it right off rip. So I think it's just subprocess. IO streams allows you to spawn processes, connect to the input-output error pipes, and attain their return codes. So you get run, a class for fixing command, and a new process. Runs the commands, waits for it to complete, and returns the completed process instance. Get output. Runs a command in the shell, waits for it to complete, then returns the output. Get status output. Runs a command in the shell, waits for it to complete, then runs. Interesting. So if I just do get status output, no, not get state, get output. Same as, but returns the contents of standard out instead of. What's the difference between check output and get output? I don't know. We'll do get output. So subprocess dot get output. Is the command supposed to be a string though? Return standard out, show command. Yeah, it is. So it would be like fake dash in I don't know, like some random number. How does ran work? All these libraries, ran. I thought it was just ran.int, but I don't think that it is. Oh, it's not ran, it's random. That's why. I'm thinking probably about, I don't know where I got ran from. I'm sure, is this just random dot? Yeah, we probably just want random dot, or random dot choices. Oh no, they have random function. Shuffle A to B. I think we just want ran in from like, from like 50 to 100. I think that's fine. Oops, still on tab. We were doing json, right? And then so dash in. So we have timestamp. That's the thing. Date this year. We need the timestamp to be, you know, specific. Oh wait, no. I could just do string format, right? Python string format, right? String format time. I need to see an example of that. String. This is it. Let me see example. Yeah, no, some date time. Can you just do it on a non-datetime object though? Well, we about to find out. So back to source, back to funcs. I guess we need both of these. However, it wouldn't really matter. I guess we could just do date. I don't know if date is I think you can't just do date. I don't really care if it's from this year or not. Or I could do from this year. Cause I don't know. We'll see what it output. I have no clue what it would output if I just do date. So is that supposed to be? Okay, this is the first one. So it's date and then job. We could just do like place, right? Fake dot name, fake dot address. Isn't it fake dot business or something like that? Maybe it's fake dot place. So is that place? That's not what I meant to do. It's not in here. Let's do a better, let's do a different search. This might be a question for ChatGPT. I just need to know every possible list from the Faker Python documentation. What are all the possible fields that can be generated? Okay, it says the Faker Python module offers a wide range of fields that can be used to generate fake data. These fields are grouped by type, such as personal information, address, company, and date time, etc. Here's an overview of categories of fields you can generate using Faker. So you got name, first name, last name, address, yada yada yada. That's pretty cool. Got a lot of different stuff. Job title, we don't really care about that. So they have date time, and it says with date you can do date this year, date this month, date this week, date this hour. You can do a Unix time, you can do a future date, a past date. So we'll just do a normal date. So that, yeah, that's fine. Don't care about that. What about business? They have booleans, language codes. And then obviously they have providers. Can I not? Business. I could have sworn it was a business one. Maybe not. I'm just gonna pick one. Hold on. It really doesn't matter. We'll just do job, I guess. There's literally something called a job. Just generates a random job title. Alright, we don't need the Faker docs anymore. And then we have like project. We'll do the, I think I just saw something called department. Department. Where did it go? Here we go. We can do department apparently, and then for location, we could just do a word. Put world. Just put word there. for location, and then Tom. You just do Tom underscore this underscore Ballard, and then we'll give it a, well, actually we're going to do start and end. And for description, we'll just give it a sentence. I think we'll just do sentence. Yeah, you can. All right. And then you do dash, or I just messed up. And then you just do dash F. json. Wait, are we doing json? Yeah, we are. json and C. And then plus can I do this? No, it's in the I do not for X or XN. Yeah, I can't do a generator. Arguments that you incorrect type generator. I could do it outside of it though. Could just do command. Get rid of this, and then just cmd. Can I just do the same thing that I just got rid of? I don't think I can do it in the same line. This is not defined. So I have to have two lines. Oops. Still invalid. Okay, well, instead of doing it like this, just do it the way that I know how to do it. Oh, you know what? I'll have to do a lambda. Would I? I don't feel like doing that. I don't even like lambdas. 4x and I lost string dot. It's just x. One space. This way I can always, if fields, if we ever add or close fields, I can always do stuff. So in the get output function, well, no, this saves it to a file though. No. Wait, does dash F save it to a file? No, I don't think it does. I think it just returns it. And you have to do dash O in order to save it. I mean, it's probably gonna crash. We can run and find out. Oh yeah, I saved. Oh, it said fake not found in bin.sh. Wait, am I not? I don't know what happened there. Course. Say extra arguments. Job department. Oh wait, did I not do dash C? And then you do dash C. And I don't even need spaces. You do dash C on it. That's what minutes is. Alright, so you do the number of times, just ran int, and then you give it what you want, dash file. Same deal, dash file, you dash C. Date, job. I'm not gonna add any spaces. It doesn't matter. Exact input, right? From the docs. Dash F. Yeah, and then dash C. Oh, I didn't add that. All right, it should be good now. Let's show simple now. Something wrong. General object and no attribute department. No attribute department. Okay, so it's no thing in this department, even though it said that it was. Email slug. Let's try team. Says no thing is apartment. Okay, it doesn't have team either. Let's just do word then, honestly. It doesn't have words, like, no way. Oh my god, it doesn't have time this hour. Let's just do time then. Nice. Okay, so what is his output though? Ignore. I have no clue what that output is though. It's like he's just doing one thing. It's just a sentence. Let me make sure. How many? I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, what? I'm missing one, that's why. I have date, job, word. Oh, wait. Date, job. This is for project. This is for location. This is for time. Oh, okay. I don't need starter in. I didn't do starter in. If x equals start or x equals and spell continue, right? Oops. Still not working. Honestly, I might just save it to a file and then just access the file. Just run the commands to make sure they look the way that I wanted to. If this is not working, I'll just save it to a file because I know the file works. But then at least we're done though. Oh, you see that? What's happening there, dude? Why is it XX? Oh my god. I'm so slow. It's F string. Yeah, I know it's getting late. I might finish this maybe for me. I was like, why is it X? Okay. There we go. I was like, what is going on here? So we got timestamp. We're gonna have to go when we iterate over. We gotta make sure to remember. I'm gonna actually add a note. I don't think I'm gonna do this now. I think I might stop it here, because then I gotta do emails, and then I gotta do the other tests. I might do that off stream, honestly, because like with emails, it's just gonna be boring stuff, and the rest of the test is boring. I think I'm considering this done. I can personally use it. The test and stuff is just extra, and the email functionality I actually want, so I can email it to myself. But I'm not gonna stream that just because, you know, email stuff. Like, it's no way. I don't want to like leak an email, or like, it's just gonna be standard. I'm just gonna use like the SSL stuff, and just like the standard way you would do it. I might, because in order for you to send emails, you need to have your like the email you want to send it from, so like your personal email address and your password, because you got to have two-factor authentication in order to send an email through your account, especially if you with Google. So yeah, I'm not doing that. I mean, obviously I'll just have it to where it's an environment variable, or read it from like an encrypted file, and then you could do it that way, honestly. But this is gonna be, that's really gonna be it. But I'll package it up, and then I'll put it on, well, I'll make it look like it'll definitely be done by Friday. I'll definitely have it done by Friday, like with a good readme, with a good install, figuring out, yeah, I put it on what is it called, Popeye, whatever it's called. Put it on there so you can just pip install it, and we'll be good. I think that'll be it. I'm considering this project done. Considering it done. For print command and print data. Oh yeah, let me leave this note for myself. What is the note? What is the note? I forgot the note that fast. Oh yeah, save. Oh, no. Don't forget to string. What is it? String ft tom the date, fake dates for my time. Oops. Really? Yeah. All right, I think that's it. I have anything else open? Oh my god. I'm just trying to quit, dude. There we go. Test. What is that? I don't understand why nvam dot get ignore. I don't understand why logs is still getting captured right now. Isn't working well good. I think they got it. No, it didn't. Oh no, it's source logs work logger.log. It's not that. It's work logger.log. And honestly, source, it was logs / right? It shouldn't even be capturing it because it's a .logs file, but whatever. Is it? It's still there. I don't understand. Maybe I'm just not putting it in there. Wait, yeah. Yeah, source, logs. Of course it's still there. Git restore source logs. Log. Maybe it's because it was tracked. I don't know. I have no clue. Test init path log function. So get at all of that. Test source stuff. Get at status again. Da 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 da. Let's commit this. Feet. Finish main application. Just have to add test and email feature. All right, that is it. All right, so that's it for me. I'm about to get something to eat and chill for a little bit. But appreciate you guys for watching. If you're watching on the restream, don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you guys later. It has been an eventful day of coding for me. So thank you for visiting Wayne's Corner. I'll see you guys in the next one.